Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member for the question. Honourable Speaker, the distribution of solar freezers to Fiji's coastal and rural communities is a program that was designed to address the challenges faced by our isolated fishing communities, particularly in preserving their catch and ensuring that fish products maintain their quality as they make their way to the markets. This initiative was a result of extensive consultation with these communities with the goal of preventing fish spoilage, reducing post-harvest losses, and enhancing the overall value of their catch. It also aligns with our commitment to environmental sustainability, supporting the going green concept by utilizing renewable energy resources. Honourable Speaker, through the collaborative efforts of the Ministry of Fisheries, other government agencies and international partners, the Ministry has distributed a total of 33 solar freezers to rural fishing communities, and this includes 21 solar freezers that was distributed to the Eastern Division, benefiting communities in Lomaiviti, Kandavu and Lau. Western Division received 9 solar freezers that were delivered to the coastal villages in Yasawa, Ra, and Nandronga Navosa. Northern Division, there were 5 solar freezers which were provided to remote islands such as Yandua, Kia, and Dikombia. Central Division received 3 solar freezers which were distributed to areas including Goma and Enuva Island. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.